Today Onii and I are going to make cupcakes. We are going to use this confetti cupcake mix, and we're going to use this confetti red vanilla icing to decorate. So before we start doing everything, the first thing we did was we washed our hands with soap and water. Now our hands are clean. Right, Onii? Our hands are clean now, right? You washed your hands, right? So to make the cupcakes, we are going to need 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. Onii, what is this?
Egg.
And this is?
Water.
And what is that? Oil.
Oil.
Oil. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to empty the cupcake mix, the powder, into the bowl like this. And I am going to add the oil, the 3 eggs, and the water. And now Onii is going to mix it. Okay, Onii, can you show your friends that you're mixing the cupcake? See everybody, Onii is mixing the mixture right now. Yes, good job. Very good. Yes, like that. You have to mix it really good. Yes, mix it. Do you see the different colors inside?
See?
What colors you see?
Red.
What else you see? What else you see? What color is that?
See, blue.
Blue. And what else?
Orange.
Orange. And what color is this?
Red.
Wow, good job, Onii. So friends, Onii's mixing the mixture right now. And I did prepare the baking tray with the cupcake liners on it. Okay, can you mix it really good, Onii? Yeah, like this. Good job, Onii.
I'll help you.
Oh, you help me? Okay. Okay, can you show your friends what you're doing right now?
See, baby?
While Onii's mixing the mixture, I am going to set the oven to 350, and I'm gonna wait for a few minutes so the oven can get hot. Is the mixture ready, Onii?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put the mixture into the cupcake liners now? Oh, you want me to do it?
Okay.
Okay, let me mix a little bit more, okay? Okay, good job, good job. You see all the colors?
Yes.
It's beautiful, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Quebec.
Okay, I'm gonna put it inside.
Okay.
Okay, friends, so now we're gonna put the mixture like this into the cupcake liners. Can you tell me the colors you see right now, Onii?
What colors?
What colors you see? Can you tell your friends what colors you see?
Oh.
It's okay, Onii.
It's okay.
We see red, we see blue, we can see orange, we can see yellow,
Oh no!
green. So after we bake the cupcakes, Onii will be decorating it with red vanilla icing and with some sprinkles on it. So because it's going to take some time to bake the cupcakes, I did bake the cupcakes earlier, and we are going to use that one for decoration. So we are putting the mixture like this. I have 5 more cups left. It's good, Onaya? You like it?
Yes. Papa, Mimi, Nana.
Can you say hi to your friends, Onaya?
Hey, friend, they colors made yellow. Oh,
It's okay. We can wash it, Onaya.
okay.
Okay, I will wash it, okay? Can you get me a piece of tissue, Onaya? Paper towel? Can I have some paper towel, please? Can you get a paper towel? Okay. Thank you, Onaya. Let me wipe my hand and let me wipe Onaya's hand. Okay, Onaya, let's put the cupcake inside the oven now, okay? Let me wipe the extra. Okay, look, Onaya, it's okay. Okay, let me put it. Okay, I'll put it right here. Thank you. Okay, look, Onaya, I'm gonna put the cupcakes are ready now. I'm gonna put it in the oven so can bake. All right. So we are going to decorate the cupcakes now. So this is the cupcakes we made earlier. It's all cold and it's all ready now. Yes, I got the sprinkles, Onaya. See? So I'm gonna use these sprinkles too. Okay. We have to, let's put the icing first.
Okay, baby.
Here. Here you go. Can you put the icing?
No.
Oh, you want me to do it? Oh, let's do it together, okay? Wow, what color is that?
Red.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Onaya. Okay, one more. Oh, you want to put some sprinkles? Wow, good job, Onaya. Good job. Okay, one more. Here, can you hold it? Let's do a different design now. Let's put some flowers. Okay, do you like it?
Yes,
You can put some sprinkles. Wow, very beautiful. Oh, you have to put it here. No, you have to take little by little. And you have to go like this, see?
I like it.
Okay. What colors you see? Do you see different colors?
Yeah.
What can you tell your friends what colors you see?
Red colors.
Oh, red color?
Red
Okay,
color.
hold this.
Wow.
Okay. You can put some sprinkles. No, this one. No, this one like this, see? Wow, beautiful. I see orange, blue, green, yellow, red. Okay. Let's do this one now. Come on, Onaya. Oh, Onaya made a big mess. She put a lot of icing in that cupcake.
Wow.
All right, good job. Put some more sprinkles here
Okay.
for this one. I'll help you.
Help you. No.
You're going to help me?
Okay.
You can decorate the cupcakes now.
Okay.
Show your friends that you're decorating the cupcakes.
Okay. No.
Oh, slowly, slowly. Little by little, okay?
No.
There you go. You
Here,
can.
ready.
Oh, you want more icing?
Okay, baby. Oh.
She wants to decorate more, so. I think we're done, Onaya. Very beautiful. Good job. Give me a high five. Look at this beautiful cupcakes Onaya decorated, friends. You guys see? It has different colors. Green, yellow, blue, orange and red. And the icing is, what color is the icing, Onii?
Icing.
What color is this?
Ribbit.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Okay, what color is the icing?
Icing.
What color? Is it red?
No, blue.
Oh, it's blue? Okay. Alright friends, I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Hope to see you guys soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time, friends. Bye.
No.
Can you tell bye to your friends?
Friends.
Bye, friends.